What happened?
I don't like it.
Oh, this old money? You want new money?
It's dirty.
Dirty money? This is dirty money? Okay, let me try to find new money. Hang on.
New money.
You want new money?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. Hang on.
Wait 1 minute.
iPhone XS? What?
Hey, right here, close.
Oh, you want me to put my head here? Close?
Yeah,
Okay.
Close. Closer.
Uh-huh.
Closer.
Uh-huh. Hey! Ah! There's a snake! Ah!
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors.
Oh, I gotta load my gun first. Okay, load my gun. Can you see the aim? Let me aim. Nope. Here, right here. Nope. Somewhere around here. Got me, got it. Come on, come on, come on. You got my leg. So I'm getting thirsty. What is this? This is attack mode. You got attack mode on.
Yeah. I'm gonna get some.
You thirsty?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some candy.
Candy?
Chip. No, chip.
Are you getting chip and soda?
Yeah, chip and soda.
Soda?
Yeah, soda for me and soda for you.
Soda's bad for you. Soda is not good for you. You want water instead?
Yeah.
Yeah? Because soda is not good for you. Okay. Let me reload again. Okay. How about I'll go to the vending machine. We'll get some soda and some snack, okay?
Some dots for you.
Dots? I got one already. You got the low one. But I'll be back, okay? Go ahead and grab a seat right there. Can you watch my crossbow, please? Yeah, watch my crossbow. Yeah.
It's called cross time.
Oh, cross time? Okay, watch, okay? I'll be back. Got it?
Oh boy, that's a long walk. All right, soda machine, perfect. That look good. They got Coca-Cola, Pepsi, water, and candy. That look good. How do I work this machine? You see? Oh! But lightning, what you doing in this side there?
Insert.
Insert money?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I got money right here, Bud Lightning. I got money right here, okay?
Money.
How much should I put in?
$1 for everything.
$1 for everything? Okay, perfect. What happened to Bud Lightning?
But lightning?
Yeah.
You went to off to work already.
You have to work already? Oh, okay. Do I put money right here?
Insert money here.
All right. Oh, how do you hang it out there? Okay, I got my money here. And put it in. Huh? What happened?
I don't like it.
Oh, this old money? You want new money?
It's dirty.
Dirty money? This is dirty money? Okay, let me try to find new money. Hang on.
New money.
You want new money?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. Hang on, vending machine. Soda vending machine. I got new money. Okay. Right here.
Oh, it's jam.
It's not going in. Vending machine.
It's jam.
It's jam? Okay, let's try to put it out. Put it again.
It's jam still. Let me fix it.
Okay.
Take out the money. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, it's done.
Okay, let's put it in back in there. All right.
Tasty money.
Tasty money? All right.
It's in my belly now.
It's in your belly?
Okay, which one you want?
I want soda. Oh, I can't get out here.
Pick any one you want.
Soda.
Wait 1 minute.
iPhone XS? What? Huh? Hi, lion. Oh, you popped the lion?
Yeah, shake my hand.
Oh, shake your hand. All right. Hi, how you doing? Pop the lion? I wanted soda, not iPhone X.
Oh,
XS.
yeah, I forgot.
Yeah.
Soda.
Okay. Oh, what happened? What happened?
Say hi to my little guy.
Hi, Pop the lion. He
Give me
is
your arm.
cute.
Give me your arm.
Okay, my arm. Ah! He's biting me. Ah! Woo! Pop the lion. He bit my hand. My hand look okay though. Huh, he's biting your ear.
He likes biting my
He
ear.
does, huh? Oh wow. But I'm here for the soda though.
Soda?
Yeah.
Oh, wait 1 minute.
Okay, I'll wait 1 minute. Okay. Oh, that was weird. You turned into an iPhone vending machine earlier.
That was not me.
Now you're a soda machine. This is
I'm not I never worked for an X-phone.
I know. I was talking to this lion, Pop the lion. He tried to sell me an iPhone. I told no, I don't want no iPhone. I'm here for soda. So, okay, let me click it again. Let me click it again. Okay, let me click my soda again.
Wait, sir. Put your head right here, close.
Oh, you want me to put my head here, close?
Yeah,
Okay.
Close. Closer.
Uh-huh.
Closer.
Uh-huh. Hey! Ah! There's a snake! Ah! Ah! Whoa! That is not a Coke. That's a snake. Ah! That's a big snake. Ah! Whoa! Look how long is it? Whoa! Look how long. Wow! Look how big. I got the snake. It's trying to bite me. Ah! You can have it here. You can have the snake back. I want Coke. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there, snake. It's coming out this side now. Okay, get back in there. There, I got him. I got him. There you go. I got him. Put him back. Okay. Woo! Woo!
Yeah, yes, I got the snake.
Whew. I wanted a soda, not a snake.
You saw that?
Huh?
You saw that? You say you need snack?
Soda, not snack. Soda.
No, snake.
Oh yeah, I saw a snake. Yeah.
Seriously.
Oh, is that your snake, Bud Lighting?
Yeah.
Oh, I put him back in the machine, Bud Lighting. You might have to go down and get him.
He's not there.
You might go down and look for him. What, Bud Lighting? What are you doing? How you doing, Bud Lighting? Your snake went upside there. Yeah, I'll put you back in there. There you go.
Oh. You already have the snake.
Oh, there you go. You found the snake. Good. Bud Lighting found the snake. Let me push it again. Ah! All right. What? Give me back. Give me my soda. Yes. My soda. Yeah. Thank you, baby. What happened?
Can you help me open this?
No, it's not for you. This is for me. I bought my soda. Okay. Thank you, vending machine.
Wait up,
For my
that one thing.
Oh, what is it?
Snack.
Oh, snack. What is it?
Snack.
Okay.
One Doritos.
Oh, let me push the candy for it. Okay.
That is not snack.
That's not snack.
Candies are candies.
Oh, okay. Let me push again. What are you doing? All right, a Dorito. Yeah. All right. Thank you, vending machine.
Wait, one thing. You want this?
Wow. What is that? A Kindle egg? Cool. Kindle egg and a Dorito bag, a chip, and a soda. Okay.
Hey, that's not a Kindle.
Oh, I'm sorry. Here you go. Bud Lighting. Here you go.
No, here, could have.
Oh, thank you, Bud Lighting. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Bud Lighting. Thank you, Soda Machine. Bye-bye. Okay, got my Dorito and Coke. Huh? What are you doing with my crossbind?
Why you took so long?
I had to go to the vending machine.
I know, but why you took so long?
The talking vending machine, he was trying to trick me. He gave me a big snake, and I was scared. Yeah,
no,
it was
that's fake.
it was a real snake.
No, I think you're looking at.
No, I saw a real big snake. And you know, guess what happened? Huh? Guess what happened?
What?
Bud Lightning came to help me. No, but it was Bud Lightning's snake. That was his snake. Yeah.
You said.
Bud Lightning, yeah, from Toy Story. Bud
You're
Lightning.
saying butt and lightning.
Oh, Bud Lightning. No,
You're saying
Bud
that.
Lightning, yeah. Yeah, that here, yeah. You want the Kindle too?
Kindle.
Okay, and they also what? Also, they give you an apple.
Oh, I thought you didn't get an apple.
The apple is for good health.
Kindle.
You like Kindle? Let's see. Let's open it. Let's see what you got inside. Let's open it. Yeah, and that big snake scared me.
Woo.
That was very scary, SuperBaby Color.
What? There's
Yeah.
a snake around.
It was. I wish I had my sword with me. I would take out the snake. And yeah, I didn't have the sword with me. See, I wish I had it with me. I would take him out.
You can't defeat a snake.
Yeah. Oh, the snake's stronger? Oh, okay. We just leave the snake alone, huh?
I heard some snakes have armor.
Yeah, the snake does have armor. It's a big armor. Let's see what you got. Whoa, what is that?
Is it kind of like this?
Uh-huh.
Where you shoot this?
Oh, it's a Star Wars character. Let's see. Let's see what you
Here,
got.
I'll eat my candy.
Oh, it's a Star Wars character. Cool. Ooh, look at the Kindle. That look good. Look at that. Eat it. 2 thumbs up. How many thumbs up? 1 finger up and 1 Kindle up. That's not thumb. Oh, there you go. One thumb. Oh, 1 thumb, 1 finger, and 1 Kindle up. That's it, right?
Finger.
Oh, 2. Oh, 3 finger. Okay, SuperBaby Color. That was cool. What you say?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, SuperBaby Colors. Make sure to subscribe and like me. Bye bye.
Bye bye, SuperBaby Colors.